Hey there, everyone. I'm just adjusting. Now remember, it is me. I just need to wear my prescribed glasses that shade in the sun. How about that? I am who I am, guys. I guarantee you. So, it's Christine Trainer talking to you from New Westminster, British Columbia, Canada. Hope you're having an awesome day today as I carry on my series of tips and strategies for online marketing to success. How's that? I thought I'd change that up a little bit as a different name, right? Now, today I'm going to share with you, I think, the best ways to make money online. 4 tips that you can make money online to help you become more successful. Let's get started, okay? Okay, now I learned these. I've been gathering up this information and learning this stuff for the past couple of years now, and I thought today would be a good day to share this. What do you think? Especially on these beautiful summer days, I can sit out and wear my comfortable colors. I'm excited. I really am. Let me adjust a little bit here. Sometimes that happens, right? You see a bit of my apartment there. We don't want to see that. Let's go like to this a little bit. What do you think? A little bit better? Sometimes you got to adjust. Okay, sorry about that. I just want to adjust it so you don't see too much apartment. It's kind of nice to see outside better, right? Okay, I'm just going to move over. What do you think? A bit better? I have a little fun just experimenting and doing things outside. Let's get started. Now, the first thing I want to share is this. Give me a second here. I want to say the first thing, you should be more genuine of who you are. First thing, a genuine, true person, who you are and how you want to get started in this crazy world of online marketing. Don't be a person that's totally business, which means get the business off your page. Show more so who you are, right? Why I want to say that, I tell you that, I'm reading a little bit here because not all my information is in my head sometimes. I have to write it down to make sure. It's this. Start engaging. Okay, what I mean is start building your audience every day. Like when you get up in the morning, you have your small morning routine, and then get started online. Instead of just doing a post right away, you're not getting a whole lot of engagement, right? Instead, why don't you start going on your timeline, right? And start loving and commenting as many posts as you can. Sometimes an hour and a half in the morning. Get yourself that audience building, the true engagement you need with your other friends online. It's kind of better to do that instead of doing a post first, because I have from experience, you're not going to get much engagement if you do a post first and then you start engaging. Engage and build your audience first. Makes sense, right? And number 2, start after you do that, post a really nice, shall we say, enriching and value post, especially within your niche, what you're giving value to other people. It could be coaching niche, it could be the kind of work you're doing, whatever it is that you want to give value to, do it. And I love text posts, beautiful, but get at least one post of who you are. Show everybody you with your post. Okay, have some fun, be creative. There's so many wonderful apps on there, your phone or apps, and you can make it a fun post. I'm actually having fun doing that these days myself. But that way, people are seeing the true you. They're seeing a beautiful value post, and they start to become intrigued by you, right? Intrigued by who you are. That's a good one, I must say. I like that particular one. Now let's get to number 3 as I turn the page here. Start building your friends list. As you're doing that, start building your friends list. Why am I saying that? Make your friends list a little bit bigger. You can do it manually. You can go online and check, and you can, and one by one, or you can use that tool that I've been using, which is a simple social tool. You can go and Google it. Basically, it's a very simple tool you use. You can get it, put it on your laptop. You can put it on your laptop or your desktop or even your phone. I think that's better. Your desktop and your laptop, and you just upload it. It's very simple. You can go to somebody's page that is doing very well. Click on a good post that has a lot of likes. I'd say over 100 likes, and then you just go to the likes. You turn on the tool, and then it depends on how many people you want to be friends with. and then slowly let it run for as long as it's supposed to. When it's done, you will get a lot of people becoming your friends. Now, here's a tip though with that. Make sure it's somebody that you're going to be within your niche. If somebody you're saying they become friends with, you no, you can unfriend them. That's no big deal. Because what you're doing is you're adding friends that you know are within your community or in online marketing, and you're getting rid of people as well. That's another one that are not engaging with you very much, especially when you go down to your bottom of your friends list and these people have not really talked to you for a year. Unfriend them and start all over. Build up your friends list. Make the new people every week so they can get some good eyeballs and target audience to your page. Makes sense, right? The more you do that, guys, you're going to have a lot of people engaging in what you're doing, and you're going to have those targeted audience watching you and seeing what you're doing, watching how you're chatting, loving the audience building up, loving the fact that you're having a wonderful engagement, and they're going to ask you questions. Makes sense when you get a good, decent audience. And then when you meet your new friends, please guys, please, and I'm testing that, don't spam the heck out of them. Instead, start up a nice, trusting relationship. Remember, the know and love and trust factor is a key point here, right? So that's what you should do. Get to know them, have a conversation. It might take a while before they want to know what you're up to, because they might want to take a while to get to know you. That's fine. You want to build a really nice, trusting friendship relationship. You don't want to have to start spamming them, because you know what? It turns me off. I tell you, the other day, I met somebody. I thought he was pretty good, right? Turns out all he wanted to do was just send me some information. I went, ugh. So kind of, you might have to block people that spam the heck out of you, and that's okay. You can still keep building your friends list. I'd say maybe to 3,000 to 5,000. It's up to you. But the more eyeballs to your beautiful content that you're sharing on a daily basis, you're going to build up your target audience, and they're going to want to know who you are. What a good way to become successful and make money online, don't you think? And these are the 4 tips that I really like, right? And let's go over them. Just first of all, be genuine in who you are. Start engaging and building your audience every day, at least an hour and a half, or maybe 2. It's up to you. You can break it up over the day. And number 2, please create and post some beautiful posts, enriching and value posts, and then have one really good niche post every week, like basically 4 posts a week. And you can do 1 to 2 a day. You build them up over time, but 2 at the most, I'd say, by the end of 2 or 3 weeks. Don't do any more. And then you can go from there. You can build your audience and create. And number 3, build a good build your friends list, and do it slowly and to a point, getting the right kind of people in your niche, and you'll get a lot of good audience members too. Target audience, targeting your page, your eyeballs, and targeted audience is what you need to become to start building some income, right? And fourthly, of course, don't spam the heck out of people. They don't like it. I certainly don't like it. They're going to block you right away. Build a really lasting friendship. Know and like and trust factor is important here. So these are the 4 tips that I have learned along the way, especially in the new program I'm on right now. And I've done it after, actually, I would say, guys, this has been a key point in me becoming more successful online. It really has, because I built up some good friendships, some lovely people. They've come to the program I'm on as well. I've created some really nice value posts. My engagement is becoming through the roof, getting better and better each day. And believe it or not, the members in my program I'm on, their engagement is phenomenal, because they've taken some of this information that I've been taught, applied it, and wow, it's just been through the roof. These 4 wonderful tips are fantastic. Please, be your true self. Start engaging and building an audience every morning before you do a post. And then, yes, post some good value enriching posts. One really good one with your niche every week, and maybe 1 to 2 a day, depends, and as it builds up over time. Get those really good friendships, build your friends list really well. Get rid of the ones that you don't think are going to be, that don't engage with you anymore. That's fine. And get some new ones to see more people engaging with you and eyeballing your page and targeting you. The wonderful target audience you will get. That makes sense, right? It's 4 tips I hope you enjoyed, because I really want to give some value today. It really will help you become, shall we say, ways to make your money online. I tell you, it's helping me, and I've been doing really much better the past 2 months with the program I'm on as well. So guys, if you want more information, check out my description down below. I have some really good information on the program I'm on right now. The link is there, as well as the Facebook group. Come join our Facebook group and see and meet everyone. As well, you want more information from me, I will leave my Facebook link down below, and you can come visit. Let's have a conversation. Let's get to know each other as one entrepreneur and another. Let's help one another as well. So I'd love to help and enrich and guide and give value on a daily basis too. Plus, my lovely friends, like and comment and subscribe to my channel. I look forward to sharing more beautiful, enriching, and valuable videos as time goes by to the next weeks and months to come. I'm here, my lovely friends, and I want to share all I can, as well as the bell. Click on the bell for more notifications of my next video as well, my lovely friends. I tell you, I have so much to share. And like I want to say today, I see you on the other side to success, my lovely, beautiful entrepreneurs. I love you all. Talk to you soon. Bye.